we say the best come from the west and pa. This is Imperial Eminence Apartments Complex inside Takoradi Racecourse. Ebusiende yelishwe na yakoto of this 10 apartment complex na ma church one the way ya no mo city anytime bia ebopumi wo sekendi Takoradi kumha na epe baby papa ada me babadam. This is a place babadam mele recommend am there no bra nabada Imperial Eminence Apartments. First of all eba there was swimming pool eba shahade ya epede edware bibiara. This is our swimming pool esha bibia tapo wahade ya onye easy. Yebako yen rooms no inside, but before yebako rooms no inside no, let me show one environment no. So after swimming na epede no lie down kakra na ejuwa home na bibia ay kama. In case of eba lodge wahade ya adesa na epede eba outa ebetuma betina yen summer house na ase na eden I'll say it now na ajujo ho kama na bibia I fine eba Imperial Eminence Apartment ade ya yenim ade a your friend dumso o sende your standby generator for you nti eba ade ya yenim ade a your friend lighthouse eti yeloko yan rooms ni inside na ya hwe the way ya na mote the way ya modern kankan no. This is 3-bedroom apartments me pede ye ko no mu na ko hwe how yam 3-bedroom apartment the way ya ne mo se gwa. This is the living room. Yaba living room na yewo dining wa ha enti eye obi biewi na epede ebetina fom zizi ahade na baba batina na aye obi bia. So this is a dining table for you. Everything is set and yesha epede etina wo hwe TV this is a TV and ahade no your Wi-Fi inteba hade ya we need data issue bia wa hade TV ni bo ha epede call Netflix, YouTube ade bia epede eye with our TV your internet for you. Ebetina hade ya your topic akrama it's now I am pede be boring yama tofi na de and tofi no different types my pebia na eda check wo how far na bibia ay kama ehwe ya living room na your air condition wo ho your fan wo ho nti se mpe air condition no na epe fan so bo hade ya ebusia ebe use na ohu ato na bibia ay kama. So check the way ya design yan living room na yanko me sure that by now epede ehu edanemu bedroom the way ya bedroom ni mo city. So first of all yanko share yan kitchen and other 3-bedroom ni so na yan share the way ya na mo city. First of all yending kan na yanko yan kitchen ni mo na yan share the way ya Imperial Eminence Apartment the way ya yan kitchen no more. So this is it. Eba hade ya your stove nti anytime be able put me wa hade ya while there or say the bahade ni there wo back because bibia wa hade epede nu edi bana bibia wa ha ehwe yan sink na bibia ejejeje your kettles na de nyina ma wa any cooking adebia pebia to make your favorite food your bibia mouth. So this is our kitchen. Your microwave say pede heat way the bambia pede heat bia. This is our microwave. Your fridge also adebia pede di share your fridge mu eba our kitchen bibia wa hade ya onye easy. Your kitchen mu your fan ele ye di ba nyina olobo na bibia ay kama. So sisia yenhwe na yenko yen rooms no mo na yenhwe the way ya na mo sete. So first yele bahade na ya hwe the way ya yen room no also na mo sete e ba yen 3-bedroom apartment ni mo a eboya. This is how ahade ni sote. So this is the wardrobe. Se pede de unyam wa tare shishima. This is our wardrobe. Nti yenhwe yen wardrobe no mo the way ya nemo city. So this is how your wardrobe mu eba nemo city bibia ye jejeje wahade nti yantum na bibia ye kama. So this is our bed. Na ehwe bed na ebusia ota poye eba hade ya your air condition. We also have fan. Nti se eba ha na empede be you see aircon na ewo another option for you. So yenhwe yen washroom no so na yenhwe the way ya washroom no mo sete. Nti eba this is the WC and yesha sink ni so wa say we bibia na pede ewo ho sa de ya na nyama sete wa hade fe onye easy. So this is where epede a shower ahaya na eba na tumboko. Nti mashefo from bebiara se epe baby papa ada the way ya me dey come on intro no oye Imperial Eminence apartment inside Racecourse Takoradi. In case of epede efre yen pinfo na anyone edi nkoma number ni ye 053 6440 605 on number sepede enim pinfo bedi nkoma on number betuma afre na bibia enye kama. Nti yer free ha na yakoye next room na yakohwe the way ya on so na moti. So your next room is here. So let's check out our next room. Oh la la. Look. Eba mpano de ya na yampanete osupayi. Nti na menda do ncho ibusia. Very nice. So still and yabahadi so your fan waha air condition so ha and we show the way ya yesisi edan mu na busia wana kisa ehwe onye obi no baka cho de yesisi ha pa ebahadi ya internet some they we need internet some no light out ye ni ma dey your friend light out because light ni yanko off pe your external generator obejuma 24/7. So ahadi ni so this is how your wardrobe no mo sete nti onyema bia pede de be show bia betum dia show na bibia I find. This is the washroom. Yes, sorry. Busia washroom so dey ya na yen 3-bedroom no an apartment no mo ahadi so the washroom no so extra very beautiful. Won we then in case of a shower. This is it. This is it. Bibia ye perfect wa. It's yemfi ha na yanko yam master bedroom na ngasa na yanko hu hawa master bedroom no na mo city. Okay, now the location of this place wo Takoradi Racecourse. Into 9 there F04 no boy Google app no nabo Imperial Eminence apartments na follow direction no onu baba puimu hade na bibia ay kamante yalo share ya master bedroom no na nkasa. So this is our master bedroom inside a 3-bedroom apartment. Nti yesha ono so yesha bed na osopaye na wo hwe ahosisi na yedi sisi hade na ebusia owo so this is a wardrobe de ya na wardrobe no inside ni so eden ositi wahade nti yenhwe eba hade so your fan and also air condition mo nti sempe fan na epe air conditioner betumi use na bibia kama. So yegudo yele share yen rooms no so yenhwe yen master bedroom no washroom no so the way ya master bedroom no ni washroom no on so city eba ha de ya internet de any internet problem eba ha de ya electricity no any problem bia wa ha de. So this is the master bedroom washroom no. Today ya na ya master bedroom washroom no so so mama flash na one share. Oh la la, bibia eduma wa ha. The tap is flowing. Yes. It's a shower so this is it. Na bibia ay kama so sisi a yampoi na yankohwe yen order apartment no na yen hwe the way ya ono so na mo ti. Aha. So let me know your thoughts so far. How do you see our apartments? Enti dam na yen 3-bedroom apartment no na mo city yako all the rooms ya hwe the way ya yen 3-bedroom no na mo osity. And we will be afi na our fulfill na epe better place na when you wife you kwasha. This is the right place. Imperial Eminence apartment. See, yanko hwe yen other apartments no mo na yen hwe the way ya ono so na mo city na eja. And to our TikTokers and filmmakers say when you be a opede ebeji yen ade so but shooter, you are most welcome. Nti yaloko na yakohwe another gigantic beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. Nti yehwe yen environment no ma ahusisi no okoye. Aha. Today ya na yen surroundings no na mo sitting. Nti sisi a yakohwe 2-bedroom apartment was soro ho na yako hwe hawa ne mo siti kai na wonde ahade ye Takoradi Racecourse. In case of epede eba hade ya number is here maboboy friend na yendi nkomo 0536440 on the number a friend na ya nobody nkomo na bibia ayekama. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment inside Imperial Eminence apartment. So this is our living room. First of all, eba yen living room nimo day na living room no nimo city. Your TV for you. Internet so ha 24/7. Eba ha dey pede YouTube, Netflix, everything. Your bibiamo. Yeba ahade so your fan, your air condition for you. Never use air condition, never use fan fan so bohade ya ebusia onye izikra. Your books crampo wahade ya say it's na ho na mpede eba feel boring na ebetumi read na bibia ayekama. So we are still in our 2-bedroom apartment, and inside this 2-bedroom apartment, this is the kitchen. Nti sepere enua eduane a ahaya no se de eba nua wezban no na bibia ayekama. So this is the stove, very expensive. And your stove bia afi na ebe no so no yen de no nyanchma pa na ejedim. So microwave wa ha sepere di bibia wa ha and insunu so holala. It's not but there bibi. Oh. Aha. So they na yen 2-bedroom apartment no ono so na moti. So yen hwe rooms no mo na yen hu how. First of all, yambra our first room. This is our first room. Wow. See, this is a wardrobe ni. Very neat and nice. So yen tum and eba hade ya mpani. Yes. Yen pani and yen fi hade na yen ko yen wash room no mo. And hade ni so eba fan ho, air condition ho ma epede choose no na it choose. And there was some artwork so I had ya. It was here. Oh, felt pie. Aha. Eba had ya artworks ni so oh feel and design no yan curtains na ye decorated and mu so I was here also. Or she papa. So yan share yan washroom so na yan share how no mo so eba had ya. This is how washroom no mo so I'm share WC no. Olo bu edwuma kama. Yehwe sink ni so a nso so o flow kama. And I have this so na pede a shower eba na odim nti me ngwa sisi a nti me mbu nsu bia ntomodo ebisi no has one. So this is our first room inside our 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, Imperial Eminence apartment. And I had it to me there. Oh yeah. Yeah, for the I have visitors washroom. Nti say bia e shahade no bi besra wa na empedo be you see wo bedroom wo de na mani pako no wa ba den wa ba sha so yenhwe. So this is how the visitors washroom no mo sete ya wo washing machine ma se pede e washing na this is it. Nti inside the visitors washroom also a washing room. The place unyama ebetu abasha hade na esi unyama no na bibia ayekma. So let's move to our next room inside the 2-bedroom. Oh, so first of all here they can share your wardrobe no. Oh, bibia she or feel or nice into the na your wardrobe no mo sete. And the most important thing in pano Abasha hade ya ebusia onye easy. So to my followers from YouTube, maybe see for babadam mami new ahaya na American from obi biara anytime bia obodu second day Takoradi krum ha na wope baby papa da Imperial Eminence apartment hade na me recommend mo obi biara and eba bomedin babadam your special package for you. So yeba ahadi so your fan and also air condition my epede e use no na use na ho ato na bibia ay kama. So yanhwe ahadi ni so washroom so that we are normal city. So this is how ahanu so washroom no normal city. Very neat and nice. Inti yanko na minko chira on the next apartments. Okay, now there ahanum location here Takoradi Racecourse. Enyam fa number ya mabuboy 053-644-0605. On the number epede bahadi ya efrewana obajo so ebi epede a book before coming here. Number ebetuma afrewana mabubo amauno. Sempe krampo with the number number 2 video we muntenya afrewan pe obajo so na bibia ayekama. So come and visit our place. They say the best come from the west, and I present you the best Imperial Eminence apartments.